was busy. So uh, we have a little job to do at work now. So well, a little tired too.
Okay.
Was a very busy week. Today was it's Friday here. And the last day.
Yeah, so do you have to work tomorrow or tomorrow is your day off?
Tomorrow is my day off, and Sunday too.
Oh, excellent. So what do you plan to do?
Well, tomorrow is the my girlfriend kid's birthday, so we're going to do something here,
Oh,
have fun, a food with the friends, with the kid friends. So
like a party. You're gonna have a party.
yeah, but it's a kid party, you know. But anyways, we had to be there.
Okay, but either way you can enjoy it, right? Either way you can enjoy it.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So let me explain you a little bit about what we are going to learn today, Oscar. So hold on.
Is no more students in this class, teacher?
Well, it is supposed to be more, but due to the electrical crisis that is going on Ecuador, many of the students cannot join the class. For example, in the past, I used to have like three students, okay,
Yeah.
teacher and three students. But due to the electrical problems in the whole Ecuador,
Oh yeah, I know that too.
and that's terrible. That's terrible because many of them are not coming, many of them are not attending, so they're gonna have like it's gonna be way more difficult for them to get all the topics that we are learning.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sure. So Oscar, let's get ready and let me explain you what are we going to learn this unit. This unit we are going to learn about study habits and routines. We're going to start by checking about subjects subjects and school vocabulary. Number one. Then afterwards, Oscar, we're going to check and identify about questions and answers in present simple. Although I consider that you already know, but we're going to check it out this one more time. And then we're going to identify the way that you can order or what are the expressions that we can use whenever we are ordering in a cafe or restaurant. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. So, any question? Do you have any question, Oscar?
No, 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 no.
Okay, so let's get ready because I'm going to do something like this. Let me stop sharing. Hold on. Yeah, we are going to start talking about school subjects. School subjects, Take a look. I'm going to share you a picture and you need to tell me what school subject is this. So, according to the picture, what is it?
Calculator.
Calculator, but what subject? Okay, calculator is the object, but tell me in what subject we use a calculator?
In a math class, maybe.
Excellent. Maths. Maths. In your personal case, Oscar, do you like maths or no?
Yeah, a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Super. What do you remember about your math class at high school, at university?
Uh, well, so divide sumas
Sums, divisions,
divisions.
yeah, additions, divisions.
Yeah.
Okay, let's carry on to the next. And you tell me if you remember what is it?
Um. Uh, about the social class.
Excellent. The social studies, but also more specifically,
Geography.
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 Geography. Do you like geography?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Well, in my case, when I was at high school, I didn't like it that much because my teacher used to be very, very intense. She used to say, you need to memorize all the countries and all the capitals in the world. So
Yeah.
it was, for me, it was very, very difficult to remember. So I didn't like it.
Yeah.
Geography. Let's move on. Tell me this one. What is it?
Uh, microscopic.
Yeah,
Is
for
a laboratory.
subject.
Yeah, laboratory class.
Yeah, science.
Science.
Yeah. In Spanish, here in Ecuador, we know it as natural science.
Yeah.
Yeah, science.
Science.
Very good. Let's continue. Let's carry on to the next. What is it? You tell me.
Um. Uh. edu- Education physics.
Excellent. PE, physical education or PE. PE. Yeah. For example, do you like PE?
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's continue to the next. What is it? You tell me.
Music.
Music, amazing. Yeah. Do you like music? I mean, do you like playing instruments?
Yeah, I was playing this in the school. I remember uh, the peace band.
Okay, sure. And what instruments? The drums?
Yeah, the small drums.
Drums, okay. The recorder, no.
No, no. Oh, I don't think so. Yeah, no, no, no. I don't think so. No,
Saxo, maybe trumpet, no.
no. Yes, drum.
Just drums. Okay, super. Let's continue. Let's carry on to the next. Oh, yeah, this is easy. What school subject is it?
Um,
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
oh, is this the garden school? Garden grade?
Uh,
No.
but not just for kindergarten. It could be at any time. English.
Oh, English. Oh, yeah. Hello. Sorry.
Yeah, tell me. For example, I know that you have a good English level, but do you remember your English class when you were at high school, at university?
Yeah, well, when I was at school and the school, I never tried to. I don't like it, by the way, English when I was at school. So, yes, well, say hello, something like pencil, pens, book, something like that. Yeah,
Basic vocabulary.
yeah, basic vocabulary. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Let's carry on. And the last one, what is it?
History.
Excellent. History. Okay. Did you like or do you like history?
No, I like history too.
Okay, super.
The first one in my left side, I think so is the evolution, the human evolution, really.
Yeah. I'm not so sure if this is known as the Holocene, el Holoceno, Plioceno. I don't remember that much those periods. Holocene, Pliocene. Do you remember those eras?
Mm.
It was difficult. When I was at high school, I didn't like history that much. I also remember, for example, Oscar, that in my history teacher, she used to tell us to learn all the presidents of Ecuador from the very, very beginning. It is
Yeah, yeah.
Juan Jose Flores, Vicente Fuerte, Vicente Ramón y Roca. I didn't like it because also for me, it was very, very tiring. I didn't like it.
Yeah.
Okay, and sure, this is the last one.
Drawing.
It has another name, more try to think outer, bigger.
Uh, Painting. Paint.
Painting, drawing, sculpture. What is it?
Um, mm, Manualidades. Español.
Kinda
Art.
art.
Art. Art.
Art. Okay, and the way that you can say manualidades in English, remember handcraft.
Oh
Handcraft.
yeah, but my time was manualidades. I think so.
Oh,
Or art.
really?
Yeah.
What did you do? Do you remember when you were at handcraft class? What did you do?
Uh, um, oh yeah, they showed us to do something with the how you see the color with the coming with the chocolate, the it's like a metal, like
Oh, like carboncillo, that one.
no, it's the uh, um, it's a like aluminium.
I don't even remember the word in
Yeah,
Spanish.
but they coming with the chocolates, wrap it with the chocolates, the
Yeah,
metal. So
I
it's different colors, and they made a do a square with different colors and put that something like that.
yeah, sure, I got you, I got you. Yeah, it's okay, no worries, okay? Yeah, so let's carry on. Let's move on then. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the first part. This is the introduction to school subjects. To school subjects, they are the subjects that we learn at school, at high school, at university. So let's move on. Oscar, let's continue because now we are going to learn some vocabulary that is related to study habits. Study habits, each person has a different study habits. You're going to tell me, teacher, in my personal case, I like studying when I listen to the music. Or maybe I study in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Yeah, each person has a different habit. So let's get ready because here we go. Let's get ready to start. Yeah, can you see the screen now, Oscar?
Yeah.
All right, here we have three pictures of people, right? And here below we have they are talking about the study habits. So, Oscar, we are going to read. We are going to read the study habits, and according to what we read, we have to identify who is this. Yeah, letter A, B, or C. Okay, so Oscar, please, can you start? I need you to read number one.
Yeah, I had a test. They are really difficult. I can't always remember everything. I need to study every day and make lot of notes. It's not easy, but it helped to listen to R&B music. Really really loud. It helped me think.
So what is it? You tell me.
That's a C.
C, excellent. So in your personal case, Oscar, do you like listening to music when you are studying or no?
Depend what I study. Sometimes I need a quiet place to study because sometimes you cannot concentrate. If you want to memorize something, uh, you can uh, you can study with listen music because you need concentrate. You know.
Yeah, or maybe not that loud music. Maybe if you listen a soft music, maybe jazz, maybe something very, very low, it could be, but not loud. Low,
Yeah.
but not loud. Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. Also, we gotta say hello to Carlos. Sorry. Hello, good morning, Carlos. Can you hear me?
Hi, teacher. Morning.
Good morning. Long time, Carlos. Are you okay?
Yes, teacher. I tired for job.
Oh, really?
Working.
I haven't seen you, I believe, in 3 weeks. I don't remember when was the last time that we saw. Was it 3 weeks ago?
Sí. No sé si recuerda, teacher, le tenía que irme a un proyecto, entonces me tocó irme para allá. Y ahí ya en cambio era desde las 5 de la mañana tarde. Entonces, sí era un lugar un poco remoto.
Oh, and did you have power or internet?
Más que nada no había luz, entonces las antenas igual, lo mismo que nada. Estaba en una localidad donde a veces no había ni señal, por más luz que hay. Era un poco complejo.
Okay, so nice to see you again, Carlos. Such a pleasure to see
Thank
you.
you, teacher.
But where are you now? Are you in Quito?
Yeah. No, in the Coca, teacher.
You're still in at work. You're still at work.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but nice to see you, Carlos. We have a new student. Actually, this is Oscar. Oscar Carlos. Yeah. I was telling
Hi.
Oscar that in the past we used to be more students, but I believe that now we're going to be just three, teacher Rosmar and two students. Yep.
Yes, teacher. Okay.
Okay, so Carlos, as you can see, we are learning about study habits. Study habits. So what I need you to do, please, it is really important to read, read carefully, and according to what you read, you need to tell me which person is this. We started with one that is letter C. Now, Carlos, you're going to help me to read number two. I need you to read number two, and according to this, you need to tell me if this is letter A or B. So go, Carlos, please read.
Okay. I agree exams and thesis and really hard. Uh, in my study breaks, I play with my pet rabbit. Some people say that animals stop streets and relax people. I think it's true. Well, for me, it's everybody needs a rabbit or maybe a cat to help them study.
Okay, so letter A or letter B?
Hmm. B, letter B.
Yeah. What do you think about that, Carlos? Do you believe it's a good idea to have an animal? to
Mm,
study with?
mm, maybe.
Have you got? Have you got a rabbit, a cat, a dog?
A dog and a cat.
So when you are studying, are you usually relaxing with your rabbit, with your dog, with your cat?
A cat. In this cat.
Okay, so got it. Finally, let's go with number 3. And of course, this is the last one. I need your help. Okay, Oscar, we know this is letter A, but we're going to identify what is his study routine. So read, please, Oscar, you can do it.
Okay. I think it helped to have a good study routine. I made a study timetable and that helped me to pass my exam. I always plan to lot of breaks and had a cup of tea and something small to eat. I don't want to get tired when I study, but the breaks are only short, about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I go back to studying hard for 1 or 2 hours. Good, good marks come from a lot of work, of hard work.
Okay, so we got it. Tell me, what is the meaning of timetable? Timetable.
It's a like a schedule.
Yes,
It's just
schedule.
you shift for the work. You time shift.
Excellent. Schedule or timetable. Schedule, you know what the translation could be as horario. Schedule.
Yeah.
In the schedule, you have the hour, you have the moment of the day when you are going to study and what subject you are going to study, right?
And you time shift. We can call time shift already.
Ah, yeah, sure. Shift, shift.
Time shift. Yeah.
So there you are. As you can see, we have some study habits, and here we have some vocabulary related to habits, to study habits and to habits. So there you go. Number 1 says, do you have a break in the middle of your English lesson? What is the meaning of break?
It's like it's a time to take a tea or eat something.
Mhm. When we were at high school, this was known as recess, right?
Yeah.
Recess. Break or recess. That means that you have a short time to do other activity more than study or rather than study. Yeah, timetable, we already know. Remember, timetable is it's a table for sure with the information according to the subjects or the topics that you are going to study. What about notes? What are notes?
Notes is when you read. Uh, when you want to read something. Oh,
When
so you put your notice when you write something to give information or something like that.
Excellent. Make notes. You make notes, for example, when you are studying and you have a little, okay, you have a notebook when you can start taking notes of what you are studying. Yep, notes, notes. Right, let's carry on. What about marks? What are marks?
Oh, marks is do you get good marks? I think it's like a grade, the score, something like that.
Excellent score. Score or grade, they are synonyms. Obviously, grades, scores. This is, for example, something that you get after you give a test, you give an exam, you get marks. Yes, excellent. Let's continue. What about the next one? What is term?
It's like a period.
It's like a period. For example, 1 month, 2 months. What is it?
Yeah, it's like university. You study 6 months, semester, trimester, something like that.
Excellent. Yeah, we can call it just term. The translation, it's like a periodo, no period, because it could be um, for 6 months, for 2 months, for 3 months. It's a period, a term. Yes?
Yeah, term.
Excellent. Let's continue the next one.
Oh, okay.
Exam.
Can
Uh-huh.
see, we can use to how many weeks is in the term. We can say to the season.
How many weeks is a term? Is a season? But
Yeah.
season is usually used for weather. Season.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
not for
okay.
school.
Yeah.
Season, it's very common. You use
Yeah,
it
we can
for
say
weather.
okay. I understand because we can say short term or long term.
Excellent, right? But not short season, long season.
Okay, weather. Okay.
Yeah, season is for weather or also for TV series. Season one, season two. Yeah, for example, for TV series, if you like Game of Thrones, for example, Game of
Mm,
Thrones has season one, season two, season three, like that, okay?
uh,
Yes, excellent. Let's carry on and let's continue. Okay, and studies, this is something that you know, right? No worries with that. So, any question about this, Oscar?
mm, no, it's all good.
Is all clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so take a look and let me put it over here now. We're gonna do a short activity and I need you to tell me, hold on. Yeah, I know this is kind of funny. I know this is kind of funny, but I need your help. I need your help in order to complete the next activity. And here you go. Yeah. So, Oscar, I'm going to show you some study habits, and you need to tell me if you consider this is good or bad. Good habit or bad habit. Okay? Yeah. So, can you see the wheel? Can you see the wheel?
Mm-hmm. You gonna spin it?
Yeah, I'm gonna spin the wheel, and then you need to tell me if the one that is selected, that is chosen, is a good habit or bad habit. Okay? So here we
Okay.
go. Stay up late to do revision, good or bad?
Bad
Bad? Why? Why do you consider this is bad?
because stay late is like too late.
Okay, obviously, that is also like dangerous and damageful. So maybe stay up at until maybe 10 or 11 p.m., it's a good option, right? But maybe after that, you're going to feel tired the next day. Yep.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's move on. Let's continue. Write short notes. Good habit or bad habit?
Good habit because you can push your note to remember something to the next day or something. Good
E-
habit.
Excellent. That is a good habit. So, are you there? What happened, Carlos? Hello, hello. Are you okay, Carlos? Hey, Carlos, I guess there was a problem with the internet. Yeah, you left?
Yes, el generador de aquí de la empresa está fallando, entonces se corta la luz, se va el internet y es un relajo.
All right. So you have a power plan. You have a power plan, but it doesn't work that good.
Mm, ya llevo así algunos días que le digo, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for sharing. I thought there was a problem with the internet. So, Carlos, take a look. We are spinning this wheel, and you need to tell me, according to what we get, if this is a good habit or a bad habit. Good or bad? Yep.
Make a team. Dice ahí.
Yeah, sure. Let me spin. Not yet. Hold on. Yeah. Play computer games when studying. Good habit or bad habit?
Bad habits. Or,
Obviously.
or good.
Good? Really? Why?
Sí, como sería active pauses.
Active pauses. Mm. Yeah, but not when studying. Play computer games maybe when you have a break, but not when you're studying, right?
Okay.
That's it. Let's carry on. Come on, the next one between Oscar Carlos. Remember, both of you. I need both of you to participate and tell me if the next one is good habit or bad habit. Yeah, watch television when studying.
Bad habit.
Bad.
Obviously, because you're not able to focus. You can't focus on the study and you can focus on the TV. Yeah, so you can only do once, not twice. So let's continue. Make a timetable, good or bad.
Yes. Timetable.
Good habit.
Timetable, it's like a schedule, un horario, no schedule, schedule, horario.
Good habit.
Obviously, a good habit because you know what you have to study and when you have to study. Okay? Do revision every day, good or bad?
It's good. Good habit.
Obviously, this is necessary. You know, my dear students, try to study every day, not just once a week, not twice a week, but every day. Let's continue. Come on, Carlos Oscar, here we go. Copy homework from classmates.
Good habit.
Bad habit.
Copiar la tarea en clases. No.
De tus
Fuera.
compañeros.
Fuera de contexto. Bad habit.
Yes. Terrible, okay? Remember, a homework, it is supposed to be individual. So you got to
Yes.
do it by yourself. Maybe ask for help. That is a good idea, sure, but not copy all. Okay?
For emergency.
Now, come on. Talk with classmates when the teacher is teaching.
Bad habit. No concentrate.
Bad habit, of course. Bad habits. As I told you, talk with classmates is good, but when you have to do a group work, not when the teacher is teaching. When the teacher is teaching, you are supposed to be focused. Yep. And let's see, I believe the last two are good habits. Form a study group with classmates, good or bad?
Good.
Do you like, for example, Oscar studying with more students, with more classmates?
Yeah, sometimes yeah you had to do it because some homework are in group.
Oh, yeah. In some cases, it is like an obligation to do our work. Yep. And the last one, the easiest. Pay attention in class.
Is good habit.
Good habit. Totally right. So, Oscar, I believe that you are very, very aware of good and bad habits. So, let's get ready because we're going to do a listening activity now. Okay, listening activity now. So, here we go. Okay, we are going to listen to an interview between Jack and Tania. Tania and Jack. Jack and Tania, Tania and Jack. So, Oscar, what do we have to do? We are going to listen and identify the things they talk about. Okay?
Yeah.
If they talk about places to study, hours of study, exam, or free time. Places to study, hours of study, exams, or free time. Yeah?
Yep.
So let's get ready because here we go. Listen carefully.
Track 1.44.
Excuse me. Hi. Look, can I ask you a few questions about your study routine?
Sorry?
Your study routine?
Okay, but I've got to...
Great. So, first question. Do you study full-time or part-time?
Part-time. I have a job, I'm a nurse, and I have a family. I'm really busy.
Okay. And how many hours a week do you study?
Well, at the university, about 5 hours.
And at home?
I don't know. Maybe about 10 hours?
Do you study in the morning or afternoon?
I usually study early in the morning or late at night.
When do you start studying each day?
Usually at 8:30 or 9 o'clock.
Do you finish studying very late?
Well, it changes every day.
Well, last night, for example.
Last night at 11:15.
Oh, that's quite late. And where do you study?
Everywhere. On the bus, at work, at lunchtime, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, everywhere.
And in your free time?
Free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time.
So you got it, Oscar?
Yeah.
So tell me, what do they talk about?
He asked her about how many hours she studied
Yeah,
during the
what
day.
else?
During the day, and she told him that she studied sometimes 5 hours, sometimes 10 hours, or she worked 5 hours, sometimes 10 hours, but about her free time, but she doesn't have free time. Um,
Yeah,
and they say that sometimes she had to study at lunch, on the bus, or when she gone to the bed and so yeah.
excellent. And does she
Yeah.
talk about exams?
uh no, I don't hear
Uh,
nothing about
yeah, very good, Oscar. So she was talking about the things that she does when she has to study. So obviously, this is the way that we do it, right? So Oscar, we're gonna listen one more time and we're gonna complete the information. If she
yeah.
is a part-time or full-time student, how many hours a week does she study? When does she study? Morning, afternoon, evening? And finally, the places. She mentioned some places where she studies, so let's go, because here we go.
She say anytime.
At any time, and what about the places?
In the bus, on the kitchen,
Excellent.
Um, when she going to bed too?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna listen and we are going to check that information, okay? So here we go.
Track 1.44.
Excuse me. Hi. Look, can I ask you a few questions about your study routine?
Sorry?
Your study routine?
Okay, but I've got to.
Great. So, first question. Do you study full-time or part-time?
Part-time. I have a job, I'm a nurse, and I have a family. I'm really busy.
Okay. And how many hours a week do you study?
Well, at the university, about 5 hours.
And at home?
I don't know. Maybe about 10 hours?
Do you study in the morning or afternoon?
I usually study early in the morning or late at night.
When do you start studying each day?
Usually at 8:30 or 9 o'clock.
Do you finish studying very late?
Well, it changes every day.
Well, last night, for example.
Last night at 11:15.
Oh, that's quite late. And where do you study?
Everywhere. On the bus, at work, at lunchtime, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, everywhere.
And in your free time?
Free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time.
So here we go. First of all, tell me, is she part-time or full-time?
She's part-time because she works only 5 hours.
Eh, she mentioned about work, but the 5 hours is the hours that she studies. 5 hours at the university. And how many hours at home? Did you listen?
10 hours.
Excellent. 5 hours at university and 10 hours at home. Yeah. When? When does she study? In the morning, afternoon?
Early morning.
Excellent.
Afternoon. In the evening. Evening too.
Early in the morning and late at night. Yeah. Early in the morning and late at night. Where does she study?
She study in the kitchen, in the bus.
Everywhere, right? She says everywhere. Bus, kitchen, at the library, where else?
When she going to bed, to the room too.
In the bed. Yeah, so
In the bed.
obviously in the bedroom. Kind of funny. So that's it. Oscar, you got it? Any question?
I interested. So she say quarter for past 11.
Quarter. Okay, take a look. This is actually related to time.
Oh yeah. Quarter past 11. All right. 15. 11:15.
Yeah, sure. This is the more traditional way to say it, right? Because we can say it the normal way as 11:15. But you're gonna listen a lot, especially in British English, quarter. It's 11:15.
In British, how they say quarter? Can they say quarter?
Quarter, excellent, quarter.
Quarter past 11. All right.
And what about half? Half past.
How past I? Oh, it's 8:30.
Excellent. 8:30, half past 8. Yeah. So this is the way that we can express the time, right? Using past, using o'clock, using half. So let's complete this, okay? About time. These clocks using time expressions. Number 1, what is it? 4
p.m.
o'clock.
O'clock.
O'clock, yeah?
O'clock.
Not PM because we don't know. Usually in the clocks, we don't know if this is AM or PM because they only have 12 hours. So o'clock, 4 o'clock. What about 2? What time is it?
Uh, uh, for uh, uh, 4:30.
4:30. Okay, 4:30. Las 4:30, no 4:30. What about 3, you tell me?
Quarter past 4.
4:15. Excellent, 4:15. What about number 4, you tell me?
Quarter before 5. No. Of 4, quarter past 4, past 5,
Eh, 4:45.
quarter to 5.
Yeah. So the translation, cuarto para las 8, no? 4:45.
Yeah.
Ok, quarter past son y cuarto, ¿no? 4:15. 4:15. Mientras que quarter to es cuarto para las. Quarter to.
Yeah.
Sure, this is the way that we can tell expressions, time expressions in English.
Quarter to 5. Yeah. To 5, past 5. Past 4. Okay. 2 is before, and past is after.
Excellent, that's it.
Before. Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Quarter to.
Remember, this is more like traditional English because in international English, you're gonna see 11:15, 8:30.
5:45. 4:45.
That's it, 4:45. That is international. But in traditional English, it's quarter to, 10 to 10, like that, okay?
Yeah.
So, any question, Oscar, about time expressions?
Well, I try to understand.
Do you want to play a game? Let's play a game. I believe that will be funnier to get. Okay, let me see. Okay, Oscar, please open the next link. I need you to open the next link, and we're going to start by playing this. Telling the time, how we can tell the time.
Nine o'clock.
Exactly. So, Oscar, click on play. Let us click here, play, and you can start.
3:00.
You need to choose the clock according to what you see here.
3 o'clock. Help us. Help. Quarter past 5. Quarter. Quarter past 5. Half past 2. Half, half past 2. Quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. That's good. 9 o'clock. Quarter past 11. It's quarter to 4. Quarter past one. Quarter past 5 past 6. 5 5 past 6. 25 past 11. Past 8. 10 past 8. 10 past 8. Oh, game over.
No, Oscar. You gotta repeat it one more time. Come on.
3 o'clock. Quarter to 4. Half past 7. Quarter to 8. Quarter past 7. Half past quarter past quarter past 5. Quarter past 10 to 5. 5 10. 10 to 5. So this. Yeah. Quarter to 10. 20 to pass. 20 past 2. 20 past 2. 20 to 4. 5 past 6. 5 past 6. 6 o'clock. Half past. 5 to 12. 25 to 10. 25 to 10. 25. 25. 20. 25 to 10. That's 5 25 plus 11. Ten pasai. Ten pasai. Hey, 10 pasai. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I understand something.
Okay, super, Oscar. So no worries. You can leave it there and come back here. So tell me, was it easy, difficult, confusing?
A little confusing, but we practice, can understand too, better.
Okay, excellent. So let's get ready to start. And here you go. Just to finish for today, Oscar, and this is going to be the last part of the class. Okay, let me share you my screen.
Okay. I was looking for the chart. Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Okay, so Oscar, that's it. Subject and school vocabulary is clear, right? Subject and school vocabulary, got it?
Yeah.
The next one, we are going to see expressions that we can use for ordering in a cafe. For example, when you go to a cafe or restaurant, what expressions do you use?
Okay. If I want to order a pizza, I would to say, okay, can I have pizza? Uh,
Excellent.
um, a salami with salami and cheese.
Excellent.
I want a cup of Coca-Cola or Coke.
Coke.
Yeah.
Also, you can use the expression I'd like. I'd like some pizza. I like um I like some pizza. I like a soda. Yeah, I'd like. You can also use
Yeah.
the expression I'd like. I'd like.
I would like.
Yes.
I
Uh,
like is the I do like.
I would like. I would
I
like.
do like.
Me
Okay.
gustaría, no? I would like.
Yeah.
I'd like. I'd like some pizza. Yes. And also take a look. We're gonna have I'll have, no? Another expression very common, I'll have. I'll have a coffee, a cappuccino.
I have is like I will have.
Yeah, I'll have. I'm gonna eat.
I will. I will.
Give me a second, please. Hold on, Oscar. Don't leave.
No worries.
Okay, sorry for the interruption. So, Oscar, are you there? The other expression is I'll have. I'll have.
I will have. Yep.
Excellent. What else? I believe they are the most common, okay? I believe they are the most common. I'll have.
Yeah. I'll have a coffee is that I will have.
Excellent. The
Or
contraction for I will. I will.
I will. All right.
Yes, and I would.
Uh,
I is the contraction for I would. I would.
yeah. Uh,
I would have a coffee with a sandwich, for example.
yeah.
Yes. So, any question, Oscar?
No, I understand that.
So, just to finish for today, we are going to watch a video and we are going to do it like this. Let me explain you how it works. Okay, in this video, let me show you now. Yeah, Oscar. So I'm gonna send you this link. In the first case, you need to write your name, your full name, just Oscar and your last name. And then you can
Yeah.
start. Then you can start, Oscar, and please pay attention because whenever you see a blue spot, you have to answer a question about the video. Yeah?
Okay. My full name, my nickname is my name.
Just name. No nickname. Just full name. Name and last name.
Okay.
No more. Then you
Just
can
one.
start. Just one.
Okay, one name and one last name.
Sure.
Yeah.
Finish, Oscar.
What's good the answers?
Let's check. We're gonna check it now, and we can finish after that. Okay, so okay, hold on. I need to open the other one. Reports, the reports. Yeah, sure, Oscar, you did it very good. Congratulations. Did you have any problem or was it easy?
Well, just pay attention, you know. Paying
Pay
attention.
attention.
Yeah.
Focus on focus on what you're listening, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, congratulations. I believe Oscar,
Oh,
that's gonna
I
be
want
all.
to ask you something. Do you prepare people for a PTE test?
Yeah, sure. Of course, Oscar. Remember, we do the preparation, the academy. As the academy, we do that, okay? But remember, it goes like that because obviously it all depends on the time. So,
Because I would love to prepare it. I had I
take.
had a PTE test exam with per person,
Mhm.
and the last time that I did is 30 and listening, 44 reading, 40 speaking, and 30 eye reading. Um, Overall, I had 30 eye, but they need that me. I had to be a little bit 36 in the first in the listening, so I had to get that point.
Okay, so listening is the one that you failed the most,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, sure, Oscar, we do the preparation, but remember that is always by the end of the level. For example, right now we are at level 2, A2. So by the end of this, you are supposed to take the key ET or key Y. And then for B1 is PTE, right? PTE, the one that you tell me. So Oscar, yeah, we do it, but remember, it all depends on the time. It all depends on the time. You are supposed to take this exam after 6 months, the B1. But when? When do you need to take the PTE, Oscar?
Maybe by January or February, but I want to pay that part of this class just for the preparate because I need it.
Okay, sure, but it all depends on my schedule. I am a full-time teacher. Right now here in Ecuador, it's around 8. Okay, let me stop recording.